Hey, turn the wheels to the left, Sage.
No, leave it like that.
Yeah, you want so?
Yeah, what he wants to do is he wants to just start pulling it, and it'll pull like this.
Here, pull that saw out of there.
Okay.
Can you take that saw out of there for me? Here. I'm gonna cut at least that knob off of there so it doesn't stab my.
I'm gonna go down and shut my rig off. I don't know, I could pull mine right here, I guess, but
Well, we'll see, because it might do what you're saying. It might.
that's what I'm seeing.
You want me to wait on you? What are you doing?
The only thing you can do is
Cut that one out and the one above it.
to there, and then when you're pulling on this, it'll pull.
Hold the case down.
Well, it'll straighten. So that won't allow it to go anywhere.
And then this one here. Let me see.
Hell, you're making a new path.
Tom?
Yeah.
Now people can go right through here up there. Tom,
What?
creator of his own new paths.
Huh?
Tom, the creator of his own new paths.
You should be good.
Hold on.
Oh shit.
This whole tree is gonna fall down.
Oh, I could strike my strap to it and pull it that way. You want me to do that?
If you want to put it, I'll just pull it down.
Yeah, you could. That's what we would need to do.
Yeah, just bring it and just pull. If we tied the winch around up there
Yeah.
and sat over there and pulled it where it wouldn't hit the vehicle,